Okay, minimize this. Even though all I did today was play Dota and Slack, watching random videos from the internet, and yeah, I am really unproductive today. And yeah, this one. Okay, for the starters, let's create the background. Okay, body. Why isn't it applying? Oh, okay, background. Okay, then let's create this box or this rectangle, this frame. Let's name this frame. Then here is frame. Then let's adjust the size, just like on the right side. 300, and this is probably 200. 70. Then make this a center. So, absolute margin auto. Then put value 0 on every sides. Then our rectangle is a bit short. Let's add the size. My bad. Let's add the height for this one, and the color is this color. Then let's create a small rectangle for the inside. Accept. Okay, let's continue. Let's copy this. Let's name this inside. Copy, paste, and just copy the values for the frame. Then change the color like that, and make the size smaller. So something like this. Just add a bit, adjust a bit, that would match our copy. Okay, 20, 10, 30, 40. Okay, and then let's create this circle with the color of the frame. So copy this, paste. Let's name this out C for the outer circle. There's actually 3 circles here. We will just overlay them. So C1 in short for the outer circle 1. Copy this and rename this C1. And for this circle, circle has the same height and width, so let's do that. 100, maybe 150. Okay, let's try this. Create this as a circle. Put a border radius 50%, and yeah, it's smaller. Let's make this bigger. Too much. Okay, that's enough. And let's create a C2 and C3. C2 on top of C1 and C3 on top of C2 and C1. So the C2 would look, the color of the C2 is like the background color, the similar as the background color, and obviously the size is smaller than the C2. And why is that? Because it is same name. So like that. Adjust the size. Then lastly the C3, which I will put here, rename this, and the color is the background color. Then the size must be 80. Setting on the charger. Okay.